This is what happens when you try to be a boss girl. A girl boss. You have to wake up early to go to work. The first thing we're gonna do is fix this. It looks like it's a freaking zombie. So let's go. So here's my makeup station. Very cute, very nice. Just right next to the bathroom. I mean the toilet. Just right there next to the toilet paper. I have no idea why that's there, but it's there. And hopefully I end up vlogging something at work. I don't know where to put you guys. I don't know where to put you. I don't know where to put you. Sometimes I try to be a beauty guru, but it just doesn't go. I don't like this angle. These pants are like tight around my stomach, and it kind of hurts, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Because these pants are the only ones that are like kind of high-waisted that I can actually wear the shirt with, because I can't go and work like this. So, wait. You're gonna make me nervous, bro. This is the cringiest thing ever, but this is how I act. This is the real me. This is the real me. Anyways, guys. Andrew Garfield. Andrew Garfield, am I right? Andrew Garfield. I've had a crush on that guy. When did the first Amazing Spider-Man come out? 2012, I think, I'm pretty sure. I was 11 years old. And I went to go see that movie with my family, and I came out of that movie theater telling my family, I'm gonna Google this man, and this man is gonna be my man. I Googled him, I found out his name was Andrew Garfield. I found out he was British. I Googled that man, and I was like, yeah. Just ask my sister. Right now, I'm just like obsessed, because my whole For You page on TikTok is Andrew Garfield, Andrew Garfield. Yeah. And I'm not, no mistake, no mistake. I think I'm gonna like not waste my space on my camera because I have literally no space. So I'm just gonna stop right here. I did not even do that like fast motion thing, which I feel really bad about because it is really stressful. But I'm probably gonna end up doing that in the office or something. But I'm gonna finish my makeup because I'm running really, really late, and I'll be right back. I'll be right back. With the power of editing, you'll come out of my mouth next time you see me. So, let's go. You just came out of my mouth. Change your plans. I have to wash my dog right now. Look at him, his heart is racing. Come on, come on. He really doesn't like this. Now I'm packing everything in my little purse. Computer charger. So I'll talk to you when I'm heading out there. This is my makeup. Not really doing anything to it. The fat juicy pimple, fatter than my ass, is still there. And my makeup, eyeliner, I don't have any more eyeliner, like it's gone. That's why it's so like, bleh. But oh, that's my dog, that's how he looks. Lucas? Okay, so I'll see you when I'm doing shit, I don't know. We're on our way to work. Shit. Change of plans. No one's at the office today. I got ready for nothing. But here's the shit. God. Okay, well I guess we'll just go downstairs. Shit, this one's coming. And But first, we need to take a thumbnail.
First thing first on the list.
No, don't ever say that again. Hey guys, welcome to Office ASMR. Ew.
It sounds like Christmas. It sounds better. Ooh. Let me see. How dumb does it look?
You look so small.
Above. Yes, okay.
This looks like a music video. Okay. The silence too. We're just like. I'm back home now, but now I have to pick up my dog's poop. So apparently, I'll talk when while I grab my dog's poop. Apparently, no one went to work, even though like a lot of people told me, yeah, we're gonna go to work. Ew. Ew, I kind of touched poo. So like I'm kind of confused in that part, but I guess people wanted to prank me today. Hopefully you heard that little bloop. Hopefully you can hear me with the mask on. Mask on. Fucking mask on. Not off. On. Okay? We can't have this COVID spreading everywhere. Flat. I made it. I think I'm just gonna have like a marathon of Andrew Garfield movies. I'm gonna watch Andrew Garfield movies while Harry is hugging me. Tell me this isn't the saddest thing you've ever seen. A 20-year-old that's gonna binge watch Andrew Garfield movies while they're like hugging Harry Styles, and they should be actually turning in an exam. So